Concept of database. Database is an organized collection of data of an organization. Need of database. Database is an organized collection of interrelated data stored together with minimal redundancy. Advantages of DBMS. First one, controlling data redundancy. Second one, data consistency. Third one, efficient data access. Fourth one, data integrity. Fifth one, data security. Sixth one, sharing of data. Seventh one, enforcement of standards. Eighth one, crash recovery. First one, controlling data redundancy. The duplication of data is known as data redundancy. Redundancy leads to higher cost in storage and data access. Database systems do not maintain redundant data. Instead, all the data is kept at one place in a centralized manner. Data consistency. Data redundancy means lead to data inconsistency, that is, the various copies of the same data shows different values in different files. Efficient data access. A DBMS utilizes a variety of techniques to store and retrieve data efficiently. Data integrity. Data integrity refers to overall completeness, accuracy and consistency of data in the database. Data security. The information inside a database is valuable to any company or organization. Therefore, it must be kept secure and private. Sharing of data. The data stored in the database can be shared among several users or programs even simultaneously, and each may use it for different purposes. Enforcement of standards. With the central control of the database, a database administrator defines and enforces the necessary standards. Last one, crash recovery. When a system crashes, all or a portion of the data can become unusable. DBMS provides a mechanism to recover data from the crashes. Thus, the DBMS protects data from the effects of system failures. Next part, components of the DBMS environment. DBMS has several components, each performing very significant tasks in its environment. The components are hardware, software, data, users, procedures. First one, hardware. The hardware is the actual computer system used for storage and retrieval of the database. Second one, software. The software parts consist of the actual DBMS application programs and utilities. Data. It is the most important components of DBMS environment from the end user's point of view. The database contains operational data and the metadata. For effective storage and retrieval of the information, data is organized as fields, records and files. First one, field. A field is the smallest unit of the stored data. Each field consists of data of a specific type. In figure 8.2, admission number, name, badge, result and marks are the fields. Second one, a record. A record is a collection of related fields. In the figure 8.2, each card in the box contains the related fields of a record. For example, the fields 103 Mohanan signs, pass and 520 constitute a record. Third one, file. A file is a collection of all occurrences of same type of records. The rows shown in the figure 8.2 may be considered as a file. The fourth one, users of components of the DBMS. Users. There are a number of users who can access data on demand using application programs. The last one, procedures. Procedures refer to the instructions and rules that govern the design and use of the database.
Data abstraction and data independence. In data abstraction, there are basically three levels, that is physical level, logical level and view level. In data independence, there are only two levels, that is physical data independence and logical data independence. In physical data independence refers to the ability to modify the schema followed, and the logical data independence refers to the ability to modify a conceptual schema.